Welcome back, MELI Digital Hub loyalists. The realm of digital safety is vast and ever-evolving. Today we're diving into the depths of Wi-Fi. Imagine your Wi-Fi network as your beloved home. Just like you wouldn't leave your front door wide open, you wouldn't want to leave your digital doors unguarded either. First and foremost, change the name and password. Much like leaving a key under your doormat, keeping default settings is an open invitation to digital intruders. Next, concoct a strong, unique password. Think of it as your digital deadbolt. The more complex, the harder it is for burglars. Your Wi-Fi network name, or SSID, should be as nondescript as possible. Think of it as your house number. You wouldn't want it to be a flashing neon sign, would you? Encryption is like the sophisticated security system of your home. Ensure your settings are on WPA3, the latest and greatest in Wi-Fi security protocols. Have guests. Give them their own guest network. It's like having a separate guest house. They can enjoy their stay without having access to your personal belongings. Software updates are akin to reinforcing your home's defenses. They patch up vulnerabilities and keep your digital house in order. And for an extra layer of protection, consider a VPN. It's like having a personal digital security guard, keeping your online activities under wraps. Remember, just like maintaining a safe home, securing your Wi-Fi is an ongoing process. Stay safe. You don't have to navigate the digital world alone. With MELI Digital Hub, you'll stay savvy with the latest digital wellness tips. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button and join the MELI Digital community. After all, every click ensures you're not just safe, but MELI Digital savvy. And that's a wrap on today's episode of MELI Digital Hub. Stay connected, stay secure, and we'll see you next time.